As we all know, content marketing is a key to attract and engage with audience, right? And email marketing is the best channel out there with the highest ROI of $42 per every dollar you spend. Now imagine if you could combine these two to have the best of the both world and increase your conversions to the fullest. Well, you can do this with the 5 T strategies of content marketing. But before anybody know what these 5 T's are, how to be a great digital marketer. Hi guys, my name is Ishan and in this video I am going to tell you what are the 5 T strategies of content marketing is and how you can use it to uplift your email marketing. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let us recall what these two marketing strategies are so that you will have better understanding. See, content marketing is a marketing strategy focused on creating, promoting and distributing relevant and valuable content to a targeted audience to attract and retain customers. Okay, and if you think what is the core purpose of content marketing, well, it is to create an awareness and sense of loyalty in the audience by building a trust and rapport with them. You can watch my previous videos to have better understanding about what is content marketing, and the link will be mentioned in the description box below or in the I button. Okay. Now, on the other hand, email marketing is a practice of sending commercial messages to a group of targeted people, that is an email list, to gain and retain customer. It is majorly used to generate business customer relationship and build a long-term loyalty in existing customers. Okay. So, do you see any similarity between these two? Yes, right. It is building customer loyalty, which results in repeating customer and a long-term sustainable growth for your business. So, what I'm telling you here is you can weave content marketing with email marketing to transform your lame business emails into a highly attractive and converting pieces of content. And you can do this by following this 5 T strategies. So without any more wait, let's see what 5 T's are. And the first T stands for Tease. Yes, you heard it right. And how you can do this with your email? Well, what is the first thing that you see when you get an email? It's a subject line, right? So tease your audience with your subject line. Tease about the content that they are about to see in the email and present it in a very interesting way. Many of us marketers don't even pay attention to the subject line, but you should not make this mistake, because if they don't able to have a hook on your subject line, they might not open your email. And as your subject line can immensely affect your email open rate, some studies even found that 64% of people make decisions to open their email based on their subject line. And another study found that 69% of email receiver report email as spam after reading the subject line. So I suggest you to make your subject line interesting, snappy and avoid spammy language, and try to create a sense of urgency to open an email, as according to research you only have 3 seconds to capture reader attention when it comes to subject line. Okay. Now let's see what is the second T here, and that is target. Well, yes, in email marketing you do already have a targeted audience in a form of your email list, but how many people on that list actually respond to your emails? Okay, because if they don't, it's probably time for you to write even more personalized and targeted emails to your audience. See, the more personalized your email, the conversation, the better will be the engagement. Okay, I hope you agree with this. And to do that, you should know your audience well. So start by collecting all the audience demographic and other related information you need, and then you can personalize your email, and these pro tips can help you to make your email content more personalized and more effective. Try them and they work for me and it will work for you. First of all, use your prospect name in the email. Use audience personas to personalize them. Mention a trigger event of prospect interest. Highlight a common connection or a common problem faced by prospect. Or you can try by complimenting your audience. Everybody like little bit of compliment, right? Okay, now what's our third T? Well, it is teach your audience. You need to understand that the people who are in your email list are here for a reason. They signed up to your list maybe to get lead magnet, something of value, right? So providing your audience with some helpful tips and tricks is considered as a great lead magnet and lead nurturing strategy. So just give your audience what they want, and after all it's a win-win for game for both parties here, as your prospect will get to learn something and you will get their interest and loyalty in your product, right? So if you have any prior experience in writing information blogs or articles, it is a piece of cake for you, because writing a long informative email copy is almost the same. So focus on writing a good valuable email copy that teaches your audience something that they want to learn. And my suggestion is to try to develop your email content around solving the common problem of your target audience, so that in the end you can relate it back to your core offer. Okay, now let's move to the T4, and that is test. Always try and test your method, as this way you can find what works for you and what does not. For example, if your market is overseas as mine, like you can run a test to know which time is the best to send emails to your client. And for this, take a sample of your email list, divide it into two groups, say A and B. Send emails to group A, say early in the morning, and send the same email to group B late in the evening, and see which groups have better open rate. And this method of testing is called A/B testing. You can apply this to test your content of your email or your templates too. Even better, you can compare two different campaigns as well. So don't be afraid to try and test new things, because this is how you can grow. Alright, now the last ingredient of our email content recipe is tracking. You always need to track your performance if success is what you are actually chasing, as tracking can help you to check whether or not people are clicking through your email. Is your content of email really effective? Are they actually really reading out your whole email, or if you actually need to change your current strategy? You can know all this and more about your email campaign, and then measure its success and compare it to other to know where you stand. Okay, so you can use a tracking tool to do so. MailChimp, Sendlinblue, Google Analytics, Benchmark Mail are some great tracking tools to start with. And now we have come to the end of this video, guys, and if you have any question or suggestion, do share in the comment section below. And if you want to be a part of my community, I would like to welcome you to my group on Facebook. Link is already mentioned in the description box below. Please join it, and I'm looking forward to engaging with you in this group. Okay, thanks for watching this video so far, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.